Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Name a 7-carbon alkane that has both a tertiary and a quaternary carbon atom. Spell out the full name of the compound. So that's the structure. It has a quaternary carbon, tertiary carbon, and that's the minimum amount of carbons where you can achieve it. 7 carbons. So we choose the longest chain, which has 4 carbons. So it's a derivative of butane. And there are 3 methyl groups, 2 methyl groups at carbon 2 and 1 at carbon 3. So the compound would be 2, 2, 3, tri, methyl, butane.